Well, hey everyone, happy Saturday. It's Lisa checking in from the studio kitchen because we're getting ready to go live on QVC with Mary DeAngelis over on QVC2. We're checking in today. It is the most beautiful day here in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. I feel lucky that we're in a town that has the name beach in it because, yeah, it is Memorial Day weekend. What are you guys doing this weekend? Hey, Julie. Hi, Mary. Hi, Susan. What are you guys up to? You having some fun? You have plans? Are you doing the barbecue? I am going to hang out with Mary today. Super excited for that, and then do a barbecue tonight. How about you guys? What are you cooking? What are you making? We're doing like super traditional hot dogs and hamburgers. That's it. Potato salad, coleslaw, potato chips, that kind of stuff. How about you guys? Oh, you're camping, Kathy? Where are you camping? That's awesome. Good morning, Kimberly. How you doing? You guys, I have to tell you something. We have 5 items on In the Kitchen with Mary, and here's the deal. It's an amazing pricing strategy going on today that is just awesome, and you don't want to miss out, but here's the story. The prices, like the sale prices I'm going to tell you, they all go up at the end of the day today. Oh, from Olean, New York. Hi, Jackie. How you doing? It's nice to see you. Hi, Marianne. You staying home? I love staying home. It's one of my favorite things to do. That's what we're doing. We're staying home and having a barbecue. Oh, you got all your patriotic decor out last night, Kathleen? Kathleen, you have to post it on our Facebook page, all right? Because we love to see your pictures. Hi from Syracuse. Hi, Joanne. How you doing? Oh, making puppy food to can in the pressure cooker. Good for you, John. That's awesome. Hi, Robin. Hi, Jeannie. Hi, Robin. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I got to do my red, white, and blue. I got to go find like a red or a blue apron to wear before I go in there. But yes. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to flip the camera around so I can show you literally some unbelievable things. It's this great patriotic theme that we have on today. And by the way, oh, Angel from Chicago. Hi. We are actually debuting two new items, our runners and our beaded placemats that have never been on air before in Patriotic and Garden. So, all right, here we go. Ready? Let's flip this around. You guys, I love these. Have you seen these? They've only been on air once. It's a set of 4 10-ounce ramekins. It's K64728, and they are on sale for under $18. Now, here's the story about anything that is seasonal. It's only available at this time of the year, but I love this ramekin. And look at the, I want to show it to you from the back. So there it is from the back, right? And then look, here it is from the front. Like, it's so cute, and there's still lots of barbecues to come, still lots of red, white, and blue to celebrate. So look how amazing this is. That's our patriotic pattern where we have the fireworks and then the red and blue old world flower. And this is what we call classic. So it is old world and floral lace. Love that right there. And then look how pretty. Come on, it's so pretty. Red fireworks on the inside, blue fireworks on the outside. Yeah, you know what, John, so sometimes we just do these in seasonal. We don't do them in the regular patterns, just the patriotic. So on sale today, $17 and change. Thank you, Sandy. But here's the deal. The price goes away at the end of the day. And by the way, check this out. When you want to store them, look how easily they stack. That's all you got to store, just the size of one. So 10 ounces, great size. And then look at all the different ideas we have, like putting them with your salads, because there's a matching bowl. Yeah, that's on sale today too. And then look at all the different things that you can do over here. So stay tuned because you'll see all the great demos that we have. Then after that, we have this great bowl. There it is right there. It's a 2-quart patriotic bowl. It is $18 and change, and it matches perfectly with the ramekin. So see the ramekin below? And then there's the bowl. Isn't it so pretty, you guys? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we have our pitcher that's on sale. This pitcher right here, it's just under 2 quarts. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's on sale for $11 and change. $11 and change, and that item number is H226770. Look how awesome that is. Look how there's matching glasses and patriotic that you can get if you want. And then come on over here with me. Never before seen on air. The patriotic runner and a set of 4 placemats on sale today, you guys. Look how beautiful. Hi, Linda. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Denise. Hi, Vi. Everybody's joining in. Look at these. I just want to show you something. This is absolutely beautiful. This is the backing on the placemat. Beautiful satin. And then I'm going to get really close. Look how beautiful that beadwork is. It's absolutely stunning. So you get either a set of 4 of the round beaded patriotic placemats, or check out the runner. And the runner is the most perfect size because it's not too big. Sometimes my runners interfere with how I want to decorate my table. Marianne, the picture does not have a cover. Good question. Here we go. I know, Chris, we're working on it. There's a glitch in the system on the baking greaser, and we are working on it. We've been working closely with QVC on that. Now, here's garden, you guys. These patterns only available at this time of the year. Look how beautiful. There's our hummingbird. There's our ladybug. Here's our dragonfly. And look how beautiful this runner is. Absolutely stunning. And then check out the placemat. So you've never seen these on air before. They are brand new today on air. So check it out. We have amazing values. So much going on over on QVC. And then Tara's on tomorrow with a bunch of items with David. So we have a lot going on this weekend. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and come join us. So In the Kitchen with Mary, QVC2, we start at around 11:45, 11:50 p.m. and then we're gonna hang with Mary for the show. All right, so you guys have a fantastic day. Happy Memorial Day, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.